Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust shutter speed on SJCAM SJ8 PRO. Shutter speed can be only manually adjusted in the photo mode. It cannot be adjusted in the video mode. In video mode you can only adjust ISO, but not shutter speed. But if you want to adjust it in the photo mode, click on magic wand, scroll down until you find shutter speed, and you can set it to auto or a certain value. Let's set it to a certain value. You can see there are different values, even up to 60 seconds, which is like very, very slow shutter speed, and it should be only used in case when you have your camera on a tripod, because the higher the shutter speed is, the more blur there may be on the photo because of motion. Also, the lower the shutter speed, the darker the image will be. So it's also worth noting. And it's worth also adjusting it with ISO, but here it will get a little bit more complicated, because if you change the shutter speed and ISO both to manual options, then ISO, the higher it's set to, the more graininess there will be, and the higher shutter speed is set to, the more blur there will be if there's any motion. So try adjusting that as much as you can, and also for both of these values, the lower you set it to, the darker it will be. So try adjusting it so that you can try getting the ISO the lowest as you possibly can without getting the shutter speed so high that it produces the blur. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.